Hi guys,
Hi.
it's Antiana from the Z Girls, and today,
Can we not just be normal? Alright.
guys, today we have some foods again, and I have my sister, and we're gonna be, we got foods, and we're gonna be trying again. So I'm not gonna go through each what we're gonna be trying. We're just gonna be trying it, and y'all are just gonna see as we try it.
Yep.
So are you guys ready? Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Alright, y'all, first thing we're gonna be trying is, well, I've been selling these all over TikTok, these True Fruit, or Fruit Riot, sour grapes and sour mangoes. And normally I don't even eat fruit, guys, but I guess I'm eating fruit today. So, let's try the grapes first. The grape says mixed berry, lemon lime, and green apple. I really can't wait. Okay, open these. They're supposed to taste like candy, guys. I'm gonna eat the green one. She's gonna eat the purple. 3, 2, 1. Ah! It is That's kind of sour.
I'm pretty sure it tastes better if it was frozen.
45 calories. And at the end, guys, we're gonna do rock, paper, scissors and mix all the foods together and see who tries it.
We're not doing
Yes,
that.
we are. So I guess I'm gonna try the purple one. I really don't want to try these guys. The mango one too.
2, 1.
Ah!
Oh!
Ah!
Oh!
Does it go?
That tastes nasty.
Does that kind of taste like chocolate?
It tastes like uncooked cake, like birthday cake, uncooked cake.
Ew.
Nah, that's disgusting. That is nasty.
She's running.
Ouch!
Is
I
it?
was running to go get my drink. I stepped on something and it hurt.
Fruit?
Yes.
What did you step on? It says, is it a fruit? Is it a candy? Crew? Candy?
Okay, so what do you rate that? Like,
A 2 out of 10. The
I rate
mangoes are
the
a
grapes
1.
are good.
The grapes are good. The mangoes,
Mangoes were booty.
I kind of like the mangoes. I'm gonna give it a 1. And I'm gonna give the grapes a 2. What are you gonna give them?
Huh?
What are you gonna rate them?
The grapes? I say a good, like a 3. 3, 4.
And what are you gonna rate the mangoes?
1.
Okay, would you buy them again?
No.
You wanna buy any of them again?
I buy the grapes again, maybe. But the mangoes? No. Like,
Next up the paradise.
that's probably why the mangoes weren't trending. Shouldn't
Oh,
have
for
gotten
real. But those flavors look nasty.
it. Like the spicy one?
Yeah. Bubby's takes you on a
Bubbies?
trip.
Bubba's? Did you say Bubba's?
I said Bubby's.
Right, okay.
Takes you on a trip and takes. Come on, quick. When you take a bite.
Can you please just open the
It
thing?
was like a rhyme. It
No.
was- What? These are gonna be trash. Gooey. Okay. Is this supposed to be ice cream? Okay. We're both taking a bite because last time I. We're doing a video, Granny. laughing.
This video is funny, bro. Okay.
Oh, sorry, that's one of my boyfriends. Okay, 3, 2, 1. You have to take a bite. Hey guys,
We're back.
and we did. Hold on, who's texting my
Let me
phone?
see you do your dance. Let me see you twirl.
Okay, did you, what do you rate them up to?
A 0.
Bro, you didn't even give it a chance.
You didn't give it a chance. Okay, let's go and try the Super Sour Galaxy Cosmic Punch. Sour spray.
Okay, it gets to a point.
It's falling apart.
Is this your falling apart? Candy. It's blue. Let's see. Got all of them. Is it my tongue blue? Oh, no, it's not. It doesn't taste like nothing but sour. You can keep that. What do you rate it?
I don't know. It tastes just like the cubes.
I rated it a 2 out of 10.
Me too.
Okay. What's next? The wrong name. This is finally where stuff gets good. Do you want to do the honors? Oh, I guess I'm doing the honors now. So first things first, you have to get this thing out, and then we're gonna. Oh, I can see on the camera. Okay, and then we're gonna put this like this, then this. I saw videos on TikTok on how to get the marble out. And you're supposed to burst for flavor. It smells like candy. Okay, go ahead and try you some. Which is really hard to drink out of. What?
That came out wrong. Why does it? What? That's weird.
How are you supposed to drink out of it? So if you want to get the marble out, you break it the glass. Is it good?
It tastes like watered down soda.
Well, let's just move on. Anyways, I picked raspberry because I didn't try it before.
But you will pick it again.
I gave it a 0.5 out of 10. What do you do?
It's not bad. I would actually drink that.
Oh, for real. I give it a 1 out of 10.
I give it a 3.
Okay, next. Should we do one of cotton candies? Okay, which one?
We can do the one you're holding, maybe. Yeah.
Okay. We have pickle with chamoy cotton candy. How do you feel about that?
I feel like it's gonna be nasty.
I feel like it's gonna be good, guys. I actually think it's gonna be beautiful. I think we're gonna get an amazing experience with the Chinese. Smell my fingers.
No.
It smells like sweet pickle. What the freak?
Why are you trying it?
I can only taste it.
It smells like cucumber, actually. I don't know why I made that face.
Ugh, no, it does. It's good tahini. I don't know why I opened it like that. There is like.
I'm trying to make sure my hair looks like decent and it's.
You had it up for
pissing
too
me
long.
off.
There's no. Ew, why does it feel like this? What the? I guess it's tahini on it.
Ew! I don't like the texture.
Get a good piece.
That is a good
There you go, huh?
Nope.
This one is Sour Challenge Cotton Candy. Be ready.
Ooh, I'm excited. Okay. Sorry, I'm trying to keep clean. So the table doesn't look messy. But Anna, it keeps just.
Sorry. Okay, this is the sour cotton candy challenge. The pink one is strawberry, which is sweet. The blue one is sour berry, which is kind of sour. The green one is sour green apple, which is sour. Super sour is pink, which is sour cherry. And freaking sour is orange
Don't
or
do that
sour
again.
orange. Y'all wait to say.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude, that's freaking sour, bruh. I don't think it's gonna be sour. Why is all the most of the stuff we're trying sour? Try freaking sour flavors. Should we read the back? This is a sour challenge kind of candy bag with 5 sour flavors. Each has a different level of sourness in the following order from sweet to freaking sour. Artificial flavor. It's great for a challenge with a friend or just if you love sour. Baby,
Whoever loses the challenge
has to mix the food
has to eat a sour pickleball.
and have their mouth green the rest of the video,
Yep.
which is a real punishment.
No sour face, so we're gonna try to do it. And
Why did you do that?
it doesn't taste like anything.
Ugh,
Imagine if it's not that sour.
I know. Okay, let's try the pink, which is.
Did you
Why
show
does
me?
it feel like this?
Because it's pretty.
What is pink? Strawberry, which is strawberry sweet. Just 3, 2,
Wait, I didn't
Oh.
get it yet.
3, 2, 1. Ew. Ew! God, worse does it settle on my tongue? Ew.
I didn't lick my fingers because it was good. I licked my fingers because I wanted it off my nails.
Okay, blue is kind of sour. This is what's gonna tell if it's gonna be sour or not. Kind of sour. How's I think it's gonna be sour? 3, 2, 1.
Oh,
Mm.
that one's good. I like it.
It's alright. Green is sour. I like it. I like the blue. The pink is nasty. That's not the green. The green is sour. Get a good generous bite. 3, 2, 1.
Wait!
Baby girl.
Okay, it's not
3,
coming off.
2, 1. I'll see how it will be sour.
This is not gonna be sour.
Freaking sour is not gonna be sour. What is pink again?
Sour cherry.
Sour. Oh, green is good though.
It's good. It's just not sour.
3, 2, 1. It's like it got less sour. That one's not sour at all. Okay. And freaking sour. 3, 2, 1. It's like medicine.
I don't think you were.
Watch your. Watch your fist turn red.
That is disgusting.
Tastes like medicine. Tastes like Pez. What do you rate the sour challenge?
I rated a negative freaking sour.
I rated
The
a.
freaking disgusting.
It is supposed to be.
Oh,
It's supposed to be
I'm
freaking
mad.
sour.
it's freaking nasty. Eyes on me, baby.
Okay. Guys, this kind
That
of.
might have been the worst one. I'm not gonna
Which one?
That nasty cotton candy.
Might be.
Wanna?
But it's okay because we have better stuff. I promise. Okay. The Warhead Pickle. Next we have Blue Raspberry Warhead Pickle. Just kidding. We're trying the sour challenge.
No, we're not.
3, 2, 1.
tastes like a regular warhead pepper, right? I'm not gonna be in another video, guys. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna be in another
All
try
this
video.
stuff is sour. It's good though. What do you rate the liquid? Why do I always get bad stuff? Like, it's never good. Like, I'm so tired of this. 3 out of 10.
So they could have kept that same one.
It's just
And not-
blue. It's just like food. I thought it was gonna be sweet. What type of blue raspberries is it? It tastes the same. We have a pink dragon fruit. Ah! I'm so excited. Okay, let me cut it. Two. Wait, before my mouth continues, we will be trying this in another video, guys. We have this, which I'm very excited to try, which is sweet and spicy and sweet. Korean street food, spicy and sweet. Tteokbokki. And we also have Takis. We never tried Takis before ever in our life, so we're gonna be trying. Guys, we're trying jalapeno and Takis, and we're doing a mukbang. Cause it's getting worse. We're gonna set like coming. We're gonna set like 3 rows. We're gonna set a whole plate of. This is not funny. We have the sweet stuff.